Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Doctors, students and medical staff unite in protest demanding public apology from Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Issue 24-hour ultimatum. And now for the news in detail. A storm has taken over the Goa Medical College with doctors, faculty heads, advisors, students and interns up in arms demanding nothing short of a public apology from Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Leading the charge is Dr. Rudresh Kuttikar, who stated that Minister Rane must apologize at the very site where he humiliated him. The protesters have issued a 24-hour ultimatum. With the ball in the government's court, it remains to be seen how the minister will respond.
You go home. I am telling you to go home. I am telling you to go home. Security You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now.
खत्म करो वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करो वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करो We want justice आवाज दो
So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be that the incident happened. So in front of the people.
Demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty.
Some people use muscle, some people use guns, some people use political power. He has used his political power to wreak personal vengeance. No, only the minister at present we have filed against. When if he is arrested, he will divulge other names.
According to me, he needs to resign. And according to me, the entire BJP government needs to.
हे खूप वाईट झाले आणि ते पळोवन गोयचे समाज हाल्लो.
तो आरोग्य मंत्री खंय तरी बसला आपल्या घरार पाय वर करून आणि ती एरोगन्स लेवल देवना. ना आय वांट टू आस्क ते तीन दोतोर कोण बिकॉज इन दॅट इंटरव्यू यू सेड पळय तीन दोतोर आपल्या मुखार बसल्या म्हणून. नो हू हॅज गिवन दिस डॉक्टर द अथॉरिटी टू गो टू हेल्थ मिनिस्टर्स हाऊस एट 12:30 इन द नाईट. हा कसले कमिशनाक खावपाक गेल्ले.
दादागिरी आणि हुकुमशाही जो 70रीन करता ती 70रीची दादागिरी हांगाय अशें जीएमसीनूय तेच चल्लेलें आसा.
What will be the amount of services that will be halted, whether we will go for a shutdown immediately kaina, all this will be first taking into account only one person, and that is you.
Our demand is that because of that incident is that we require a public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister will come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand.
So
deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So because we are supported by the GARD, the Agency Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty, Doctors Association, as well as the doctors all over India. So if it is not been accepted, then we may file. Can you narrate within 24 hours he has to apologize.
Okay. ते दुसरे डॉक्टर सांगता की ना ताणें त्याच सुवातेर येवपाक जाय आनी तेच व्हिडिओ तेणी रिकॉर्डिंग करून जशे पळय हो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल केला तसो तोय व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जावपाक जाय. चूक मागल्या ती आनी जाल्यारूच आमी हे प्रोटेस्ट जो आहा जो फाटी घेतले. नाजाल्यार हेजे फुडें जे कितें डिसिजन आहा ते आफ्टर 24 hours ते डिसायड करतले की it is going to be a shutdown JMC or partially or कितें ते हेजे वयर ते निर्णय घेतले.
The demand for a formal public apology has now officially reached the Dean. Amid escalating tensions, a police complaint has also been filed, this time against those who were recording the health minister's outburst inside the casualty ward.
They want a public apology from the Honorable Minister, and they said that this apology should happen in the premises of Goa Medical College, especially in the casualty where the incidents occurred, and to which I have conveyed the same to the office of the ministry, and I am awaiting the reply. Total ban on videography, including the press and media in the patient care areas. I strongly believe that patient care area is a privacy area, and I fully agree with the guard that we should not have any videography or any photography in the patient care area. We have already put our placards, our notices, but in spite of that, sometimes some people come and they do videography, but now it will be strictly monitored through the security officers, and the police will deploy police also at casualty area. They also demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty on that said day. So that also it is we are calling the police inspector from Agassem, and we are putting an FIR on him also.
Siola Vaz, meanwhile, has taken up the matter with Panjim Police against the Health Minister following his outburst against the Chief Medical Officer. Here's what she had to say.
We have come to the Panjim police station to file a complaint against Vishwajit Rane. Complaint is a criminal complaint, and while it is our opinion that IPC and BNS do not get attracted, but there is an act which is to be invoked at such a time. All the time we see that there are many doctors, nurses and other medical professionals who are assaulted and abused and insulted by VIPs. So there is an act which has been specifically brought into this into the foray, and incidentally by the same government in 2013, and we are now seeking to invoke that act, Section 3 and Section 4. This is an act which prohibits violence against doctors. In our particular case, doctor has been insulted verbally, has been insulted with bad words, and that also in public, humiliated. His professionality has come into question, and there were at least 20 to 30 people in that room.
What happened was a deeply hurtful event to the whole community of doctors across the state and beyond.
We deeply condemn this act, and in order that the residents of our Goa are facing the repercussions including verbal assaults, abuses and threats by relatives and attendants of the patients, saying that they will refer our videos, they will videograph us, and then they will forward it to higher authorities. We have requested Dean sir to immediately pass an order which ends the VIP culture in this Goa, which deeply condemns the act, and any assaulter henceforth, whoever comes forward and abuses or threatens any doctor, will be put on no treatment list.
We have put forth our demands, they have put forth their requests. Okay, so we are sticking clearly to these things and nothing more than that.
Opposition leaders, meanwhile, have seized the moment, slamming the ruling government for what they call systematic intimidation of healthcare professionals.
डिमांड करता तो म्हणजे जो विश्वजीत राणे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आसा हेका सॅक करचो, हेका मिनिस्ट्री पोर्टफोलियांतल्यान भायर काडचो. बीजेपी सरकार जमत म्हणटा ते गोंयकारां वांगडा आसा आनी गोंयकारांक घेवनूच फुडें वयता. आमी स्वयंपूर्ण करता. तुम्ही कसले स्वयंपूर्ण करता? तुमचे पयलू सद्याक जी प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, रुरल हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, तुमची डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स आसा, ही स्वयंपूर्ण करपाची गरज आसा. तेकातलो लोड हांगा पडटा. आयज डॉक्टरांचेर इतलो प्रेशर आसा की आमी एवरी टायम येता. म्हाका दिसता कितलेशे प्रेस भावांनी म्हाका सांगलेले की हांगा इतलो लोड पडटा, कॅज्युलिटीन हें मेळना, तें जायना, अशें जायना म्हणून. कित्याक लागून जाता? कित्याक हो जो मिनिस्टर आसा हो फेल जाल्लो आसा. हांगा कितलेशे शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ आसा, हांगा कितलीशी मेडिसीन शॉर्टेज मेळटा, हांगा कितलीशी मेडिसीन तुमी पळयता आसतले हांगा परचेज करची पडटा, कितली म्हारग पडटा. पेशंट आमकां सांगता आमकां म्हारग पडटा, हांगा गव्हर्मेंट हितून गव्हर्मेंट रेटी प्रमाणे मेडिसीन्स मेळना. सो इतली जी स्कॅमां जी हांगा चल्लेली आसा जीएमसी, हो मिनिस्टराक सॅक केल्यारूच हें सिद्ध जातलें. नाल्यार हो बीजेपी सरकार हो हेका खंय ना सपोर्ट करता अशें दिसतलें. आनी
कित्याक ज्या ह्युमॅनिटीन दोतोर जे आमकां आमी म्हणटात देवा भशेन दोतोर, जे गोंयकारांक जे ह्युमॅनिटीक पळय मरणांतल्यान वाचयतात, रोगांतल्यान वाचयतात, आज तांकां आपलो स्टेथोस्कोप गळ्यान घालून रस्त्यार देंवचें पडलें. 2 दीस जाले आमी पळयलें की IMA आसूं किंवा ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल असोसिएशन आसूं, बाकीचे हेर इतर एसोसिएशनांनी डेडलायन दिल्ली की हाचेर सक्त कारवाई जावपाक जाय. पूण काल आमी राती 12:30 वरांचेर पळयलें की तो आरोग्य मंत्री खंय तरी बसला आपल्या घरार पांय वर करून, आनी ती एरोगन्स लेवल देंवना.
समाज मन आनी समाजाची जी प्रतिक्रिया आसा ती म्हाका दिसता हितूंतल्यान दिसता, आनी सगळ्यांनी तांकां तेंको दिवचो आनी तांकां हेल्प करचें, आनी तांचो हो मुवमेंट सक्सेसफूल जावचो जो सगळ्या तुमच्या आमच्या फायद्याक आसा.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ही नीड्स टू रिजाइन. and according to me, the entire BJP government needs to resign, because this is the way not only he behaves, the Chief Minister also behaves in the same way, and it's an extremely arrogant BJP government in Goa. Having said that, what happened and what is going on, currently the medical students are asking for Vishwajit to come and apologize, and what is most important to it is to hold his ministry and how to become Chief Minister. These are the things that are important to him.
Dylan Rodriguez, William Rodriguez and Manisha Jadhav for Goa 365.
Garbage woes continue to plague the state. Despite ongoing efforts by panchayats, black spots keep emerging across Goa. One such site is Ganesh Puri in Mapsa. In an attempt to curb dumping, a stretch of the highway here was beautified. But miscreants have simply shifted their dumping further down the road. Here's our reporter Sahil Naik with the details.
हांव आतां सद्या म्हापसा वाठारान आसा, दत्तवाडी, जे मस्जीद जो रस्तो गेला झेवियर कॉलेजी कडेन आनी रोटरीचे म्युनिसिपल गार्डन आसा. सो ह्या गार्डना कडेन हांगासर तुमी पळोवंक शकता हो गार्बेज कसो कलेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. हो आतां गार्बेज डंपिंग सेंटर, थंयसर शेड सगळे सेग्रिगेशन कावंटर बीन सगळे आसा गार्बेजाक घालपाक. बट आतां सद्या कितें आसा, सेग्रिगेशन कावंटर जो आसा तो फूल आसा आनी थंयसर डंप करपाचें सोडून हे भायर रस्त्यार करता. सो प्रॉब्लम कितें जाता, आतां हे जे सगळे गार्बेज हांगा डंप करता, हे कंटेमिनेटेड जे वॉटर आसा, उदक आसा, सो ते उदकान मॉस्किटो ब्रीड जाल्ला. कंटेमिनेटेड वॉटर हांगासरल्यान पास थ्रू जावपाक लागून हो गटर केल्लो आसा. बट त्याच गटराचेर हो गार्बेज आख्खो डंप केला आनी फूल ब्लॉक करून उडयला. आतां उदक वयतलें खंयच्यान, ते गटर उदकाक लागून केला काय गार्बेजीक लागून केला तें कांयच कळना.
Dylan Rodriguez, Sahil Naik, Srishti Athanekar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And lastly for the weather, looks like the rains are back. Goa saw thunder showers over Sunday night which spilled into Monday morning and kept the rest of the day gloomy and wet.
The IMD had issued a yellow alert for Monday and has now revised its alerts for the week. There are no warnings for the 10th and 11th with only light showers expected. But on the 12th, 14th and 15th, yellow alerts are back, with widespread heavy rain in the forecast. The 13th has been placed under an orange alert as very heavy rainfall is expected across most parts of Goa. So what's in store for Tuesday? There's no alert, but light to moderate showers are likely throughout the day and they'll be fairly widespread. Definitely carry an umbrella or raincoat if you're heading out. However, since the weather system is developing quickly, the IMD may revise Tuesday's forecast and a yellow alert could be issued in the morning. Despite the rain, there's no drop in temperature. IMD has forecast a maximum of 33 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 25 degrees Celsius. Rains returned with thunder showers Sunday night into Monday. Monday stayed gloomy and wet across most parts of Goa. Yellow alert was in place for Monday due to heavy rain. No alerts for the 10th and 11th, only light showers expected. Yellow alerts back on 12th, 14th and 15th for heavy rain. Orange alert on 13th for very heavy rain across Goa. Light to moderate rain likely on Tuesday. Showers may be widespread through the day on Tuesday. Despite rain, temperatures remain steady at 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa365TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.